Hello children, how are you today? I hope you all are fine. Today we are going to learn sound of letter H. Sound of letter H. Previous we have learned sound of letter A, B, C, D, E, F and G. And today we will learn sound of letter H. A says A, B says B, C says K, D says D, E says A, F says F, G says G, and H says H. What is the sound of letter H? H. H says H. H says H. This is capital H and this is small h. Capital H, small h. Repeat with me. Capital H, small h. Capital H, small h. H says H. What is the sound of letter H? H. H says H. H says H. Repeat with me. H says H. H says H. H says H. Say it again. H says H. H as in hat. H, hat. H as in hand. H, hand. H as in house. H, house. H as in hand. H, hand. H-A-T, hat. It starts with the letter H and H says H. H says H. H says H. H, hat. H, hat. H, hand. H, hand. It starts with the letter